Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PECK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the eventful day on this one, not only from the price action standpoint, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one moving forward. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first area of support that I think a lot of people will be watching, rightfully so, is right down here around the $10.25 mark. That's just essentially where the price finally consolidated out. I mean, had a very nasty pullback this morning and then found some support right around that area, and since then has never really looked back. So that's going to be one of those areas, and I mean, nothing's guaranteed, but my point here being is that it's a more than valid, it's a more than rational thought to have that. You know, if the price comes back down to this 10.25 area and then breaks down through it, that break right there could very well create quite a bit of downside selling pressure. So that's certainly going to be a very important level. And the other reason why that's important, let me squeeze on the chart, is because a break of that area, as you can see here, puts the price into a big old no man's land on the chart, with the next level of support not being until down around $8.50. So right here is just the no man's land. There's just simply aren't any other data points that suggest any sort of potential support areas. So that's why that 10.25 mark is certainly going to be very important moving forward. Now, in the event the price decides it just wants to turn itself around and start to head back up, where are these areas of resistance at? First key area of resistance to watch very closely going to be right there at $12.35, and then after $12.35, next key level after that right up there around $13.65. So keep your eye on those couple areas moving forward from the resistance side of things. But all in all, crazy movement today, crazy volatility, but we'll see what the next few days has to offer. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.